In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive Trello cards and lists. If you've ever cleaned up a Trello board a little too enthusiastically and need to bring something back, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to expect so you can restore cards or whole lists in a few seconds. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Trello, then click through to the official Trello website. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your workspace. Otherwise, sign in and then open the specific board where you want to work. Make sure you choose the board that originally contained the items you archived so they come back to the right place. Once your board is open, look to the top right and click the three dots to open the board menu. This is your board's control center. From this menu, select Archived Items. That section is where Trello keeps everything you've archived from this board, neatly tucked away but easy to restore when you need it. If you want to unarchive cards, you'll see a list of archived cards here. You can scroll through or use the search field to quickly find a card by name or keyword. When you find the one you want, click Restore. Trello will return that card to the board, typically back to the list it came from if that list still exists. You'll keep the card's details, like descriptions, checklists, and comments, so nothing important is lost. If you need to unarchive entire lists, look for the Lists option inside the Archived Items view and click it. This switches the view from cards to lists. Again, browse the archived lists to find the one you want to bring back. Click Restore, and Trello will place that list back on your board. Restored lists usually return to their previous order. If the board layout has changed, you can drag the list to where it makes the most sense for your workflow. A couple of quick tips while you're here. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, double-check that you're on the correct board. Also, if a card doesn't appear where you expect after restoring, refresh the board view and look for it in its original list or at the bottom of a list. That's all there is to it. You've opened Trello, accessed your board, used the menu to reach archived items, and restored both cards and lists with a single click. Now you can tidy confidently, knowing anything you archive can be brought back just as easily.